Hi, this is Esther from Cemantica. I'd like to show you how we integrate VOC data inside the Cemantica platform via our self-service connector. Let's go on the platform. We can go to the settings, then integration center. We have about 70 native connectors and with a good list of self-service connector. So for example, we have Qualtrics here. If we wanted to add some data from Qualtrics, we will click add, then enter a name, a Qualtrics token, the host, and then also how often we want to retrieve the data. Then we can enable. If you go on your map and then you can go to the swim lane feedback data, and you will, if you would like to connect some data to a specific stage and a specific touch point, you could simply click add feedback data, then you choose Qualtrics that we just created, and then you add the touch point. So for example, I'd like to connect this data to my website. Then I can pick a metrics. It will be an NPS. Then I can choose my survey. I can add some filter here, select the question, and I can even add some condition, and then I can retrieve the data. Then if I go up on the at the touchpoint level, then I can see here that on my website touchpoint, I've connected my VOC data. So I have the number of interaction that was connected, the sentiment index, the rating, the metrics that was used, and the data sources it's coming from. So very simple manipulation. Now this is via Qualtrics, but we can also add feedback data by importing a file, Excel file, for example, or add some data manually. Then on top of the journey, you can see a recap of all the different data that have been pulled. So here you see, the different metrics appearing. So it's nice to have a global view of, the sentiment of your journey with the different metrics. All right. So if you want to have more information about VOC data integration, please contact us at info@cemantica.com or go to our website, cemantica.com. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye bye.